Will that come out?
I
right
think
into the sun though.
Yeah, who knows? It's a bit shaky.
Right in front of you.
You say it's better to have it at your back?
That's right. Does that make better contrast?
Yeah, that's nice. I'll show this to my friend on the Marika online and see what she thinks about this cat. Now? She's on the prowl or something. Is that what she's up to? She's... See her bloody bring up a mouse or something.
I think she's just looking for the right characteristic. She's not supposed to be a he. I think it's a he.
Oh, Lorca's a he? Oh.
I think it's a he. Yeah. She's smelling something. Oh, I know what she's smelling. I can see what she's smelling.
Oh, what is it? Oh,
between her and me, 3 feet.
Wood?
No.
No. The wall?
See the nose?
Oh, yeah.
She's definitely smelling something.
Yeah.
It's a piece of chicken skin.
Oh.
It's been out there for a couple of days. I'm supposed to, I tend to throw things out like the animal eat it. If you put it in the garbage, it smells.
Yeah.
She's gone in a complete circle. If she got to it, she probably wouldn't want to eat it because it's
Oh, what's that?
mouldy.
See, that's a funny sound she made there.
That should be a good photo right now. She's got the sun. You've got her head in the sun, and the rest of the body's not in the sun.
Either. Yeah.
How many minutes of video can you take for that?
Unlimited on this thing, it's great.
So gladly.
Yeah. Yeah.
Can you put that on video?
Oh God.
She does that in my house on the carpet.
Why is she doing that?
Yeah? Because she eats the grass and it makes her throw up. I don't know why.
Yeah, I have that on video, yeah. Yeah.
She's done that on my carpet.
Oh God. Yeah, that's been interesting. CC has never thrown up once.
Never?
Not, at least not that I'm aware of. So that's probably a healthy sign. That's good.
Yeah, it's good that she doesn't. Yeah, she eats grass and then she throws up. It's really weird.
Ew.
Well, she found that stuff.